Is your Windows computer displaying an error message like this? If so, there are a few ways you can try to fix the error. Firstly, one of the simplest and most often recommended solutions to fix a DirectX related issue is restarting your computer. It refreshes all the processes and resets system memory, which can often solve the issue. Now after restarting, try running the application again to see if the error is still present. Now if restarting your computer does not work, you can try installing DirectX to the latest version. Just go to the Microsoft DirectX download page, and this will automatically download the latest version of DirectX for your Windows system. Then, open the file from your Windows Explorer and double-click the executable file to install it. After that, you have to restart your computer and try running the program that was causing the error. Lastly, check for any new updates by opening Settings, go to Windows Update, select Check for Updates, wait and download for all the latest updates. So that's how you can fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.